Today we're going to be going over AL030. It's the Harmar version of the Tote for wheelchair carrier. We're going to do a walkthrough so that it show you all the different features and how to operate the lift. First things first, we have a key switch. So you want to turn on the key switch to indicate that it has power. You're going to tell that the red light turns on. The red light is on, that means you have power. And we also have a license plate light. Let me get the headlight so you can see the license plate light. License plate light so that you can display at night. Now we're gonna go ahead and operate the lift. The Tote is different from other Harmar products where it's not an automatic pivot. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to pivot the lift. You're gonna go ahead and power down. Down is just gonna bring the chair to the floor. You're gonna have to manually push it down. And then you can go all the way down to the ground. Once it's flat in the ground, you do not want to continue to go. This is good enough for you to be able to come with your wheelchair and put it onto the lift. Now, once you have the chair on, we have the hook. The hook is just going to create pressure downwards to prevent the chair from moving from its position. Since we don't have a chair today, I can't go ahead and demonstrate you how to use the chair. Now let's go ahead and put it back up, ready for travel position. Same scenario, we're going to press the toggle switch up to power the chair back up to its original travel position. Once you get about 8 to 10 inches off the ground, you can go ahead and pivot this up. If you look closely, right here, this is the stop that you would use to prevent it from folding down while traveling. So we're gonna go ahead and pivot it forward, and you're gonna notice that as I go forward up, it'll lock in this position. Once you hear that sound, you know to stop. You're gonna go ahead and turn off the switch. Always make sure that when you're traveling, the key is removed. Now, to show you how to use the swing away so you can get access to the back door. You have the safety pin right here. You want to go ahead and pull the safety pin out, and then you have a blue lever. You're gonna go ahead and pull, and with your offhand, pull out. Swing it all the way open. Be very mindful not to pinch the cables with the swing away. Now we're gonna go ahead and lift it up, and you have access to be able to get in and out of your trunk at ease. Now that we're done, we're gonna go ahead and push it back in. Once you get to this point right here, you do want to give it a nice little push. You're gonna hear a click. Once you hear that click, you're gonna go ahead and push in the safety pin. And I always like to do a little test before I hit the road. So we're just gonna pull on it, make sure that it's nicely secured and good to go. That concludes the AL030 Harmar Tote lift.